Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how does Temu coupon bundle works. So I'm gonna let you know the ways how it works. So make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now, first thing you have to go and log in into your account. Now, Temu coupon bundles are a collection of coupon code that offers sustainable discounts on a wide range of products available on Temu platform. Likewise, these bundles are designed to provide shoppers with incredible savings opportunities, allowing them to purchase their desired item at deeply discount price. Now, Temu coupon bundle consists of a various type of coupon, including percentage off coupons, dollar off coupons, and even free shipping coupons. Now, using Temu coupon bundle is a breeze simple navigation of couples of coupon section on the Temu website or app. You need to select the bundle that suits your need and copy the coupon code during the checkout purchases. There will be a designated file where you can enter the coupon code. Once applied, these discounts will be automatically deducted from your total and you'll enjoy significant savings on your purchase. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.